What are we making?
Oil. It's black bean ribs.
Okay.
Nice and hot. Ribs, ginger, garlic, black bean, and a little bit of water. That's all you need. Start it high. We'll saute the meat. Once the meat saute, low fire and simmer for about 20 minutes. Marinated ribs. A little bit of oyster sauce and a little bit of soy sauce and a touch of sugar. Sugar. You like it spicy, put a little bit of jalapeno pepper or one red pepper. Give it a little bit kick. See how it's browning? Let it brown for a little bit, a couple of minutes. Add water, cover. Slow simmer for 20 minutes. Add a little bit of water. Teaspoons of black bean. Low fire. Cover, simmer for 15 minutes. Looks so good. Stir it a little bit. Let it simmer for another 10 minutes. This flour to make it a little bit thicker, the sauce. So it won't be too watery.
Flour and water.
Yep. Start to turn into gravy. Okay, and it's ready.